Welcome friends. My name is Atos and so today I'll tell you about basically about why China is become like a world's first superpower country. So today we will discuss about it that it's now being that USA is not a such power that now USA should be like vanished from the first superpower. So first came to its advantage. What are its advantage? That it's being the first. So the advantage is that we take like that China has like strong military. China has strong military than USA, and it has also lots of things such as helicopters, and as you know that America has a uh, helicopter or aeroplane that is called B2 bomber, and it's the biggest. That's why America is so rude, and it has lots of that. It cannot be seen in radar, like the aeroplanes or air fighters see them in a radar, but it cannot be. It vanished from the radar. So because of this, China has also make JF-35 to give them a power that we have also power to take care it. So why China has become the first? Because it is power. In the history we see in 1960 or 1954, the China was very weak. But when it comes to their own country, they were under Japan's rule. And when they came on their side, they become most powerful and world's second powerful country. And now it's being first. How? So see, today America is superpower. If give you any idea of like destroying Israel, and if America said no, we will not do this, so every country have to not to do this, because America is world's number one superpower. So let's come to another thing. It is being first because now the young generation of America is not focusing on their education, and they are drugging each other, and they do not focus on their studies. So because of this, they are not have been focused, so they will lose also the first position, as we know, the first world superpower. And now they are losing, and China is day by day growing its technology. As you know, the new Huawei company of its oldest, you know, its company of China. So it has make a phone that if you take any app from it and throw it, it will catch. It will catch your information that what you send to there, and it's a big thing, and it has cracked lots of things, and the Huawei's company share is going for. And as you know that Pakistan is China's friend, so it will also support Pakistan, China. So let's come to its that how it is going, like its problem that in Pakistan, as we know about poverty, but in China there are some still things that is being relaxed, such as giving labor such money that they can provide their home a food, three time food. So that's why China is being up to up, and it's developing its technology, and its whole population is supporting its country. But especially in Pakistan, it is doing something, and no, as you know, and political reason, as I told you that if someone has superpower first number, so if he refuse any of the plan, so all the country will refuse. Thank you for watching.